In a troubling incident on February 19, 2025, a Muslim mob attacked procession celebrating Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Andhra Pradesh Palnad district. The violent assault involving stone pelting left several participants seriously injured. Video footage circulating online shows individuals waving flags to disrupt the event, highlighting growing concerns over communal tensions in India. Over the past few years, multiple incidents of violence and controversy have emerged around processions and statues of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Such clashes have raised questions about law enforcement, public safety, and the increasing hostility toward cultural celebrations. One of the oldest incidents took place on February 19, 2018 in Hospet, Karnataka, where members of Hindu organizations were attacked during a Jayanti procession. A dispute over placing a flag on a pillar escalated into a violent altercation. Similarly, in May 2022, riots broke out in Jalna, Maharashtra after the murder of Dwaji Maharaj. The violence led to multiple deaths, arson, and police injuries, resulting in the arrest of around 25 individuals. In May 2023, another attack occurred in Ahmednagar, Maharashtra, when a mob pelted stones at a procession passing near a mosque. The violence led to injuries among policemen and locals, with rioters vandalizing a statue of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. In a related incident in Uttar Pradesh, students at Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti University were prevented from celebrating Shivaji Jayanti in February 2023, with warden Azam Ansari allegedly threatening them against organizing the event. October 2023 saw another controversy when Chhattisgarh police arrested a man named Salman Khan for posting disrespectful content about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The violence has not been limited to Maharashtra. On February 24, 2024 in Goa, clashes erupted after a Shivaji statue was installed on a private land donated by Maratha community. In March 2024, stone pelting was reported in two locations in Maharashtra, Narasapuram and Jalgaon, during religious processions. The Jalgaon attack appeared to be pre-planned as police discovered stockpiles of stones and bricks during searches, leading to multiple arrests. With religious tensions escalating, authorities are under pressure to ensure security during cultural and historical celebrations. The repeated attacks on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj processions and statues indicate deeper divisions, making it crucial for law enforcement to act decisively to maintain peace and protect cultural heritage.